Hello once again, friends and folks. Welcome to the Creative Middlescent. Are we still plodding along? Well, we should. Remember, our motto is keep learning, keep living. So today we are going to answer another request. A viewer questioned on what to do or how to do, what should we do when there's a breakage on the thread? It's a common problem, especially when the embroidery machine needs cleaning, or the tension needs tweaking, or even the needle is wonky, and even when the thread is no good. We will answer that on this segment. Actually, this is a two-pronged segment because today we'll also show you how to personalize or embroider a hoodie. Autumn is here, and it's a must to have a hoodie these days. And of course, it's a good gift for your loved ones, right? But before we start, we would like to tell you that we already have an embroidery playlist in this channel, which would make your learning easier. And if there's nothing that you would like us to cover, or a question or a comment probably for our improvement and everybody's improvement, just write them down on the comment section below. Okay, let's start. So first, of course, we choose a hoodie and then lay it down on a table flat so you know where to put your print or your embroidery. Make sure that your measurements are equal. The placement of your embroidery must be measured. Then reverse the hoodie and lay it flat again on the table. Put your sulky tape where you want your embroidery to be. Put masking tapes on the areas where you're going to mark your measurements. This will keep your hoodie clean. Now the measurements are done, you can put the hoop under, and while putting it in, especially when you're putting the hoop on top of it as well, the outer hoop, then you can make the proper adjustments. Just make adjustments a bit at a time until your center matches. Screw your hoop in and you're ready. This is our design, so you can now open it in your computer. Carefully put the hoodie in.
The only slight problem is my arrow points that way and my design is that way, so I need to rotate the design. I need to rotate the design. Okay. So if I go to I can rotate the design.
Same as the arrow, so same direction.
Remove the tape carefully.
It's already set there, so that can be removed.
So we're ready to rock and roll. And our brass hook. Hopefully we've got some bobbin thread in here.
Sure that no one is making this. The darker red ink. Put the red back on for the lettering.
So if we have a thread break, the machine will start from that number. That's the number of stitches it's done, and that's the number it has to do to complete the garment. So under normal circumstances, if you have a thread break, it will start from where it stopped. But you can use this plus and minus button to move back. So if you think you've skipped some threads, you can go back or forward. The important thing is to write down that number, 4087. So you can go backwards or forwards on there. So if I want to go back maybe 10 stitches, I can start 10 stitches further back, and then the machine will overstitch what I've already, or what we think we've missed. The other way to do it, if you think you've missed a lot of stitches, press this button, and then you can type in the number you want to go to. And then OK, and the machine will go to that number. So you can start from a specific number. And then you can restart your threading if you have a thread break.
And then now we can start.
So we need to rethread the needle.
Just rethread it. Okay.
So ensure your number is where you want it to start. 087 was where I stopped. And then you can press start. And the machine will continue from where it stopped.
As soon as it's done, you can now clean the back. Look how happy the owner of the hoodie is. If you like what we've done here, please click the like button below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to us as well. And you'll be sure that you'll keep on learning and keep living as we bring to you more segments from our channel. Thank you.